Today we've got a special Halloween recipe. Buttery chocolate, shortbread cookies shaped like ghosts. So stay tuned till the end because it's going to be spooky and delicious. Add sugar, salt, and vanilla sugar to the butter. Mix until the ingredients are well combined. Gradually add the beaten egg and mix it into the dough. I sift in the flour in 2 to 3 stages and mix it into the dough. Don't knead for too long. We don't want to develop gluten, otherwise the dough will become tough. We need it to be tender and crumbly. Chop the chocolate and add it to the dough, then mix well. Cover with plastic wrap and refrigerate for 1 hour to chill. Next, divide the dough into 8 equal parts. Place a few pieces of chocolate on top of each cookie. Bake in the oven at 190 degrees Celsius for 13 minutes. Then I carefully transfer the cookies onto a wire rack so they can cool down. Next, I place slightly warmed marshmallow on each cookie and cover it with icing. Then I use sugar icing to draw the ghost's eyes and mouths.